just going to show you this double cap rivet setting tool today. It is a really good alternative than the I'll just show you this a little bit better, than the really big setting tools. If you don't have one, you don't have the space for one, you know, obviously they are quite pricey as well. This is a really good alternative. So it comes with the hole punching tools and the double cap rivet setting tool. It comes with an awl, and it also comes with a little screwdriver as well. So you can use the awl to make a mark in your fabric where you want the hole to be, or you can just use a pen, whichever one you want to do. So I'm going to start off by putting the punching tool in. Now the side that has the screw part goes in this top part here, and the other side that will go in the bottom, and it's a slightly bigger bit that goes in the bottom of the tool. So I'm just going to use the little screwdriver just to tighten that up slightly. I'm not tightening it really tight, I'm just literally tightening it until I can feel it sort of hold, and that just means that this part doesn't come out. So you can make your mark where you want your hole to be, and then using at a 90-degree angle so that your hole goes straight down and not off to the side. I'm just going to line up that pointy bit, for want of a better word, of the cutting tool with the hole, and I'm just going to press down, and that's made a hole right the way through. You can use standard leather punch tools if you've got one, or this is a Japanese punch where you can just like screw it down if you've got one of those. And anything for cutting the holes works fine, but this tool does give you it as well. So I'm just going to take out the hole punching part and put in the double cap rivet die. So again, the screw part goes in to the top, and the bottom part goes in as such. And again, I'm just going to tighten that screw up just so it holds that in place. So I'm going to pop a rivet through. This is sort of 4 layers of vinyl, and I don't know if you can sort of see, I'll take that out so I can show you, if you can see that there's like a little like mark on the rivet, which basically is where you want your fabric to kind of go to. If there's too much post showing through the other side, it's not going to set properly, it's going to set funny. And if there's not enough post through, you won't get that proper sort of clamp down and grip. So you want the fabric coming through to kind of just sit in that little notch on that post. And then I'm just going to pop the back on, and you'll hear it click. So that means that that's in place. And then I'm just going to line up the bottom part of the rivet in the bottom part of the tool, and then line up the top part of the rivet as well. And what you want to be doing is you want to be doing it at a 90-degree angle. What you don't want to be doing is doing it at a funny angle, because what you might do is you might push those posts and the cap sort of away from each other, and what'll happen is it won't it won't press together properly, it'll be pressed off centre. So making sure that you've got those caps basically sitting in the tool properly, and then press at a 90-degree angle, and you get a really lovely press. There's no you know, marks where it hasn't caught it properly because it hasn't been sitting in the tool properly, and it presses it really well. And you can always go over it again if you think, I don't know if I've got that set fully. You know, you can do it in a couple of stages if you're still unsure. Obviously these were just a couple that I was practicing with, but you can see how well that tool has set those double cap rivets. So this one is an 8mm die, because basically I only ever use 8mm rivets, and that's all I sell in my shop. But that is the handheld rivet tool, and that's how you use it. So I hope that's helpful. Thanks for watching. Bye. Thank you so much for watching. If you've enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to see my next video when it's released. I'll see you next time.